Hello everyone, this is Jason from BCAM CNC. BCAM CNC is a global high-end CNC equipment supplier for CNC, engraving, and laser cutting. Today, let me take you into a bigger family of BCAM CNC and visit together. Now, let me show you our S-series machine. And you can see this one is our S-series machine. Our configuration of this machine is DSP, reach auto DSP handle, and the get rail we use Taiwan TBI, and this is our space part dust hold airtight. You can see this one, it can automatically up and down. So when you're cutting and engraving, and you cannot see any dust. Okay, now let me show you our machine safety part. This part, emergency stop. Now the machine is working and running. If you stand at here and don't notice the machine is running, normally it will hurt you, maybe seriously. But our machine will help you to avoid to be hurt. You can see. Okay, it will stop automatically. And we have another one. And after the machine stop, you can continue running it. Yes, and it also can automatically to running. You can see automatically running. It's very safe. And you can also see both sides have. Yes, very safe. Continue running. Another patented product of airtight dust hold. Let me show you. You can see when it's cutting, it will drop, come down, and when it's cutting, will also follow the cutting depth to adjust the dust hold height. You can see. Forever it will touch the material surface, so it will no dust come out. You can see. Yeah. It will keep your shop and the factory very, very clean. Machine has many parts. And for example, the machine bed and the gantry and the control system, reach auto DSP, and the cutting part, spindle, is an electric spindle, and the vacuum pump system. This is vacuum tube and dust collector system, and to collect the dust. And now let me show you our vacuum system. You can see at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our machine bed have 6 vacuum area. You can see here. Now let me move the machine, show you all the details. You can see this is our vacuum tube. Why we select 6 vacuum area? Because we reduce the vacuum area so it can help you to keep some small parts. For example, the small part, and you put it here, and we can make a big vacuum power to hold the material, and when cutting and engraving, never move. And in our vacuum control part here, and some marks show you this one control this part, and this one control this part, and the third one control that one, and very clear, help you to reorganize. Okay, and for our switch, control switch, this power switch, we use auto nickels from Japan, and the quality is very good. The power, you can see, we can turn on. And we also use the machine to control vacuum pump and the dust collector. They also have a switch, vacuum pump and a dust collector. Okay. And for bit calibration, we also have a high accuracy tool sensor. You can see here this one, and put it under the bit, and use controller to auto calibration. You can see here, it will automatically come down, and when the bit touch the tool sensor, it will automatically go up. And now the calibration finish.